It's a 2013 Ford Taurus. Treat yourself to the driver's seat, then take off, embracing every curve and devouring straightaways. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, selective service internet access, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend highlights the dashboard and interior door panels are thickly padded, and the ambient lighting in the interior door pockets and footwells is as trick as in any German luxury car. The Taurus center stack expands out from a deep dash, cocooning the driver almost like a sporty car with a cockpit-style driver's seat. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.